Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Dr. Sam's Biology. In this video, we will discuss about Stele and Stelar theory. So what is Stele? Stele is central core of vascular bundles inside stem, in structure of stem, or you can say root. It is a central core of that structure that contains, so this stele contains xylem, phloem. These constitute vascular bundle. Xylem, phloem, pericycle, pith, and medullary rays. So all these structures, xylem, phloem, pericycle, pith, and medullary rays, these all structures collectively called stele. So this is stele. This is a central structure that is present in the center that contains xylem, phloem, pericycle, pith, and medullary rays. So it is stele. Now coming to Stelar theory, in 1886, Van Tygem and Duliet gave a theory. This theory is called Stelar theory. And in this theory, they gave that term stele. They gave this collective term that is called stele, and we know that they said that this stele contains xylem, phloem, pericycle, pith, and medullary rays. In this theory, they stated that the structure of root or shoot consists of two main components. Structure of root or shoot have two main components. So this structure, it might be root or might be shoot, has two main components. One is outer component, its outer part. Outer is cortex and inner is stele. So it has two main components, that is cortex and stele. And this cortex and stele is separated by a layer. That layer is present between cortex and stele, and that layer is called endodermis. So this endodermis separates this cortex and stele. So this is Stelar theory. In Stelar theory, they said that the structure of root and shoot has two main components, and these components are cortex and stele, and these components are separated by this structure, this single layer is called endodermis. So this is Stelar theory. So what is stele? Stele is a collective term that include xylem, phloem, pericycle, pith, and medullary rays, and this term was given by Van Tygem and Duliet. And they proposed this theory that is called Stelar theory. According to this theory, the structure of root or shoot has two main components. Outer is called cortex, inner is called stele. And these both components are separated by a single layer that is called endodermis. Now coming to the limitations, objection, or shortcomings of this theory. So this is theory, and this theory also has a shortcomings. So main shortcoming of this theory is that in many plants, a layer that separates cortex and stele is absent. This endodermis, in many plants, this endodermis is absent. So in many plants, endodermis is absent. If endodermis is absent, that means there is no boundary between cortex and stele. They are mixed with each other. So there is no separate layer. So there might not be any separate structure that is called stele. So this is main limitation of this theory. In many plants, endodermis is absent. That they call boundary between cortex and stele. So this is stele and stelar theory.